Okay.
What are we looking at?
Okay. So if you are very old ROG fans, you probably know that ROG motherboard has 3 major series. The Maximus series on the Intel Z chipset, and the Rampage series on the Intel X series, and also the Crosshair on the AMD 990FX chipsets. And guess what? This year we are introducing a whole new series called the Crossblade. And so what is the Crossblade? The reason we have the Crossblade is because we see a lot of mainstream gamers, they are using the AMD FM2 Plus platforms, and a lot of those users, they are really looking for an ROG motherboard with all the wonderful ROG features, and that is why we are introducing a Crossblade Ranger motherboard. And as you can tell from the name, it shares all the similar features as the Maximus 7 Ranger motherboard. For example, on the networking features, we have the all-new GameFirst 3, and also the new LAN guard, the LAN port, and also for the audio part, it shares the similar Spring FX 2014 audio solution, similar to the Maximus 7 series. There are 4 audio features on this: Sony Soundstage, Sony Sense Amp, Sony Studio, and Sony Radar 2. All of these features on the Maximus 7 Ranger are on this Crossblade Ranger motherboard. And of course, it does overclocking, it does LN2, and it does all the ROG features that you have been looking for.
And you have it in a case over here?
Yes, this is a live demo machine of the Crossblade Ranger motherboard. And taking the look of this motherboard, you can tell the design is very similar to the Maximus 7 motherboards.
That is a good match in there for that manly case.
Yeah. Yes.
Nice water cooling too. All right, thank you.
So yesterday at the ROG press conference, we also introduced an all-new console PC, the ROG GI. And as you can tell from the name, it's a console PC, and you can work as it works as a gaming console and also works as a PC. And the size is really small. The volume is only 2.5 liter. Inside, it's bundled with the Intel Core i7 processor, and for the graphic card, it uses the NVIDIA GTX 750 Ti. And also, you might be wondering if we can upgrade what's inside. Well, there are 2 memory slots inside. Users can upgrade to the sizes they want. Also, it comes with 2 2.5-inch SATA 6G space, so you can put in whatever SSD devices you like. And also, some special thing about this console PC is that it's really quiet. When it's at idle, it only consumes about 23 dB noise. When it's running at full power, with the fan turned on, we have a special airflow design. It only consumes about 28 dB noise level. And this machine is running at very low power consumption. It only runs at 15 watt power consumption. And the ROG GR8 will be available at Q3 this year, and initial launch it will be bundled with the Microsoft Windows 8.1. However, it will be fully compatible with the Steam OS when the Steam OS launches.
That's a pretty neat little system.
So,
thank you.
So that's the motherboard part. Yeah.
Thank you. All right, what am I looking at here?
This is our ROG Swift PG278Q G-Sync monitor. This is the world's first 27-inch WQHD gaming monitor powered by NVIDIA G-Sync technology. And the G-Sync technology is that PG278Q is able to synchronize with the GPU's render rate, so to provide smoothness, ultra smoothness, and the ultra fast response time gamers suffer before, like latency, lag, or graphics stutter. all of them, everything just officially become a thing of the past. And also we've got a turbo hotkey. That means gamers can switch among different refresh rates such as 60 Hz, 120 Hz, and 144 Hz by just clicking this hotkey. So they can get rid of all the complicated settings. Furthermore, we've got a red flare and fighter jet design, narrow bezel design, so that we assure gamers can actually get the best visual performance by using a PG 278Q gaming monitor. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you. It's gonna be available in July, so just wait and see. Thanks.
All right, bye-bye. All right, it's Kip H here at the Republic of Gamers at Computex 2014. Would you tell me here, what are we looking at?
This is G20, our latest model of gaming desktop. And actually we got three main product features. So G20 is the world's most powerful small form factor gaming desktop, and it's only 12.5 liters, and we actually fit i7 CPU and NVIDIA GTX 780 standard discrete graphic card into the system. So it allows users can enjoy the best visual effects under this high performance. And second, G20 has the most energy efficiency in the gaming desktop. So, which means compared to the industry average 40 watts, when in idle mode we only consume 20 watt. And third, actually ASUS we can provide some gaming style user interface UI. So now I'm gonna demo it for the users here. So this is the ASUS command, so which you can do management and other settings for the system. So when you get into the tool, you can see the lighting control app, which is our most recommended. So through this app, you can adjust the light to 3 different zones on the chassis, and you can do users can do mix or sync for 3 different zones like this, or you can choose zone 2 and choose the color and press apply, and you will see different colors on the chassis. And also we make Aegis. This is an application that you can monitor your system status, and you can check the CPU information or the system usage about CPU, memory, internet uploading and downloading. And also you can set up the threshold for the components on board. So once the component goes wrong, and there will be a pop-up window shows up, and to notice the users, you can check your system right away. All right. So G20 actually is a perfect combination of power, beauty, and craftsmanship. Thanks.
Very nice. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Yan-Ting from the ROG motherboard team, and today I'm very excited to introduce our all-new Max7 motherboards, ROG motherboards based on the Intel Z97 chipsets. And as you have already seen, we have 3 Z97 motherboards already in the market: the Max7 Hero, Max7 Ranger, and Max7G. All these 3 motherboards are already in the market. And yesterday in the ROG press conference, we introduced 2 new members to the Max7 family: the Max7 Impact and the Max7 Formula. Let's start with the Max7 Impact. Last year, we introduced the first mini ITX ROG motherboard, the Max6 Impact. Before the Max6 Impact was introduced, people think with mini ITX motherboard, you have to sacrifice a lot of spec because of its small form factor. But Max6 Impact changes the rule. It has everything you wanted on the mini ITX motherboard. In this generation, we took a step even further. Last year, with our mini PCIe Combo 2 card, we have M.2 with PCIe by 1 bandwidth. This year, we have PCIe by 4 bandwidth, so it can support really high-speed M.2 SSD device. And last year we had the Supreme FX Impact audio card. It's a discrete audio card that is on the motherboard. This year we have the second generation. With the second generation, there are 4 new audio features on this card: Sony Radar 2, Sony Soundstage, Sony Studio, and Sony SenseAmp. All these features are available on all Max7 series motherboards. And going on to the Max7 Formula motherboard. Last generation, in the Max6 Formula motherboard, we introduced the cross-chill heatsink design, where you can change the fitting of the water cooling barb. So user can choose whatever fitting they want. This year, with the similar design, we changed the interior to the new cross-chill copper design. Inside the water channel is made of the copper. Better heat dissipation and better performance, and it looks beautiful. Also, on the Mini PCIe Combo 3 card, last year we had M.2 with PCIe by 1 bandwidth, and this generation we have PCIe by 2 bandwidth. And also the new Max7 Formula supports 2 SATA Express ports.
Two SATA Express ports. Yeah. One at the bottom here.
Yeah, 2 SATA Express.
2 SATA Express.
Yes.
That's so we can get really fast storage into there.
Yeah.
That's excellent. All right. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.